Merry Christmas! And today we're going to be doing a vlog, and I'm gonna show you what we are going to do. As you may know, I wasn't able to finish all the desserts that I was getting ready for today. I need to do the apple salad and also preparing all the main meal. So keep on watching so you can see what is the menu for today.
This menu, we are going to start by making a mashed potatoes, and I already washed these potatoes and peeled them off.
I have some potato here is boiling, and I'm also boiling some pasta because you will see what's the menu for today. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut some broccoli because I'm gonna be making a yellow spaghetti with vegetables, and the vegetables are gonna be broccoli, onion, and mushrooms. I'm gonna be putting these broccoli in the microwave. Okay, so the spaghetti is ready, and I'm gonna be using some avocado oil just for the onions and the mushrooms and the broccoli as well.
How I clean the mushrooms, I just take this napkin and start just trying to take off the dust or dirt that they have, but I don't wash them because they will be mushy and I don't like them that way. These mushrooms weren't like very fresh, as you can see, but they could still work as long as they are not mushy. They can still work. I have another method of cleaning the mushrooms. Just let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know what do you use or what do you do just to clean them off before you cook them. I'm just mixing all the vegetables together, the onion, mushrooms, broccoli, and after I saute them, I'm gonna transfer them on the spaghetti dish, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do. I just drained the spaghetti, it's done. I'm adding a little bit of butter in both the spaghetti and in the vegetables, and I'm using some cheese whiz to add as a cheese on the spaghetti, and then because it's still hot, it will blend very well together. And also I added some organic non-salt herbs to the vegetables and a little bit to the spaghetti as well. And after that, I'm adding a little bit of milk on the spaghetti so it can be a little bit moistured and get all mixed with the cheese whiz and the butter that I just added. After it's all very well integrated, I will be adding the vegetables and mix them up with the spaghetti so they can be like kind of hidden for the kids. The potatoes are done, so I'm gonna be draining them as well. And now here they are, and I'm just gonna mash them and mix them with a little bit of almond milk, and also the butter that I use is the Earth Balance, and also I use this salt that is sea salt with some herbs as well. You can get these at Costco, and they are very, very tasty. Having these as sides, the mashed potatoes and the spaghetti, they are done already and they are looking great. I'm just going to go ahead and do the green beans casserole.
The main course will be brisket, and this is my second time that I am attempting to do this, and this is what we're going to be using because we are only 4 and we just need a small amount. So I'm gonna be making the spices and mixing up the spices. I just took the recipe from Pinterest, so I'm gonna share with you in the link on the description down below. Now we are going to rub in the brisket with the mixture that we just made. I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil.
After I added the avocado oil, I also used a little bit of vegetable broth and I mixed it all together until it was really well integrated, like a kind of a paste texture. Just put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit degrees, and it was for an hour.
Okay, so now we're going to make the apple salad, and I'm gonna make a small batch. So I'm gonna be using 3 apples, and I will be slicing them in just small squares, and I'm gonna use a can of pineapple cut in chunks, and I'm gonna be using this one. Okay, so this is, it has the juice of the pineapple tidbits. I have my 3 apples here. I'm going to be using or pouring the pineapple with the juice, and I'm gonna be using all of this cream, Mexican cream, and some shredded coconut, and some pecans. So I'm just gonna cut this in chunks.
Let's mix it all together, and it's going to be amazing. This is the famous Mexican apple salad. And now let's get to the green beans casserole.
So I have my green beans here, and I have the cream of mushrooms here, and I have the onions here. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is to first pour the cream of mushrooms in this bowl. I'm gonna pour this in. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of almond milk. Going to mix it together. Now I'm going to prepare my baking dish. I'm going to use just a little bit of oil. Again, I'm using avocado oil, and then I'm gonna put this aside, and then to the cream of mushrooms I'm going to add my green bean, like so. And I'm gonna mix all together. I'm probably gonna be adding more. Green beans casserole, mashed potatoes, spaghetti, and brisket. This is a perfect holiday menu, and it is so easy. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time.